guy looking for the perfect lover, the kind of love you only see in a novel. I wasn't waiting for some shiny unicorn. I've often had her rolling in your dome, but all of a sudden you're the hero of my story. I celebrate the love in only stormy place. I still remember the way this whole thing started. I was walking down the city, feeling down and broken hearted. But then I guess all roads lead to a room, a full front collision on my way home. I cut a corner, down we hit and crash. The crash has been the first and hasn't been the last, 'cause it's a different kind of love from any other old school dating is the boat. We are explorers, it's a different kind of love. And everyone is looking like the crazy people just escaping from alone. Sometimes I feel that you are from another planet. The way you attract these more disasters like a magnet. And I don't know if you are from outer space, but I can tell you, girl, I'm enjoying the race. Because I knew when we hit and crashed, my crazy love circus was here at last. This is a romantic in a very funny way. I know our kind of love is the one made to stay, 'cause it's a different kind of love from any other old school dating is a boat. And everyone is looking like we're crazy people just escaping from alone. The way that you talk, the way that you move, you make fun of me while I make fun of you. But we always fit, precise as a glove. I really enjoy a different kind of love.